It's the nature of the beast to satisfy his every appetite. He's never worried about the cost. He never worries if he's wrong or right. And there's no method to his madness. You watch him step up to the firing line. She's almost close enough to touch. He feels the heat and reads the danger signs. And it's all a game. It doesn't matter who plays. It's the nature of the beast to jump into the fire. Tell me, can't you feel the heat? See you walking on the wire at the crossroads of the night.